will impact northwestern Albert, Hart, and southwestern Anderson counties through 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Spartanburg has issued a tornado warning for north central Albert County in northeastern Georgia, southeastern Hart County in northeastern Georgia, southwestern Anderson County in upstate South Carolina until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight, a tornado was located for Russell State Park, moving northeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of north-central Albert, southeastern Hart, and southwestern Anderson counties, including the following locations: Rock Ranch and Ruckersville. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page, or post it to X using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred.